Are you looking for the best woodworking apron? Here we will break down the top 7 best woodworking aprons on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Hudson Wax Canvas Apron. The fantastic set of features, from the dust flaps on the pockets to keep them free of dust, to the padded straps for comfortable wear, and a quick release buckle to keep it tight. The first thing you'll notice is the overall build, boasting a water-resistant and resilient 16 ounces wax canvas. It is thick enough to resist different types of damage, but also reinforced with heavyweight brass grommets and rivets to prevent breakage. You will get a double-stitched set of tool pockets, ideal for keeping everything inside protected. And with thick bottom and top hems, it'll keep the apron together for years. The apron is still hugely comfortable. It boasts removable cross-back straps that you can take at any time. And with its ideal size at 27 inches wide and 34 inches tall, almost anyone can use it with ease. Lastly, you get a wide array of pockets, with quick access, one on the front for your phone and pencil, a kangaroo pocket that keeps things tight, and dual hammer loops with rivets, as well as a hanging loop on the bit back. At number 2. QeeLink Leather Workshop Apron. This product is tough enough to serve you for several years to come. The durable material also protects the user from sharp debris and other potentially harmful objects around the workshop. The cowhide is 1.3 to 1.5 millimeters thick. Hence, it is not only good for woodworking shops, but also for use in other places, such as a garage, garden, and any other application where a sturdy apron comes in handy. The apron is stitched in the inside and outside, using premium-grade US Kevlar thread to ensure that it holds up well to regular heavy use. The crossback design of the straps keeps you comfortable at work by distributing the weight of your tools. The cowhide apron measures 24 inches wide and 36 inches tall for full coverage to the knee. Also, it packs a total of 6 pockets that give enough space to keep all the tools you need for the job within your access. The long straps and the adjustable buckle means that you can customize it depending on your body size. Although the construction is stain resistant, this leather apron is easy to clean. At number 3. Heavy-duty wax canvas work apron. If you are looking for a work attire that is of high quality, has great durability and has a rugged look, then this brand's woodworking apron is perfect for you. This ultimate workshop apron has been made to withstand rigorous work, but also the 16 ounces wax makes it smooth and flexible, making it a people's choice. Apart from these, the creators have included an equipment pocket and a pocket on the chest, enabling you to keep all of your handy things closed and organized. Methods to ensure no harm is done to the environment have been used in producing the apron. It also includes a custom-made dye which is certified Aeegulle-free, so nullifying any chance of any chemical leaching. Increase your capability to bring out a positive outcome by having your required equipment inches away, and forget about any inconvenient or unfortunate mishaps. It also has a tuckable pocket which ensures to keep your debris dust free. Without a doubt, a lot of thought was given to make a design that maximizes your comfort. Apart from the design that provides you the best comfort and efficiency, the manufacturers have given a high priority to style. The 3 available colors have a rugged yet very sleek look, making you as attractive as an Irish lumberjack. This apron, with high levels of durability, a great touch of style and efficient functionality, doesn't come cheap. At number 4. Dickies 16 Pocket Workshop Bib Apron. This is one of the best woodworking aprons for the money, and despite the price, the quality does not suffer one bit. This adjustable apron is made of heavy-duty canvas, and contains a shocking 16 pockets. Many of the pockets are small, making it great for someone that does a lot of fine woodworking. It can accommodate waists from 32 inches to 52 inches. It has a total of 16 pockets, which include 3 chest pockets, 3 front pockets, and 10 slip pockets. The chest pocket can hold your phone along with a pencil or 2. The slip pockets will hold screwdrivers, chisels, pliers, marking knives, and more. At number 5. Aeegulle Work Apron. The Aeegulle Work Apron is made for practical use and is styled professionally. The work apron is built using premium 16-ounce wax-infused canvas, and is reinforced with gunmetal rivets and grommets. This allows the apron to bear the elements of your toughest jobs. Besides, the double stitches around the large pockets and hems promise rigidity and strength to the apron. Special emphasis is given on the quality of the apron. It is made durable and water-resistant by use of 16 ounces waxed-infused canvas. The crossback straps and shoulder pads distribute the weight of the apron evenly on the shoulders, while providing comfort to your back and neck. The apron comprises 6 pockets, 1 protective pocket, 2 pencil pockets, 1 cell phone pocket, 1 chest pocket, 2 large double slip pockets, 2 dual hammer loops, and 1 metal towel ring. At number 6. Readywares Wax Canvas Tool Apron. Readywares Wax Canvas Tool Apron is perfect for everyone. And it just won't help you to look fashionable, it also will carry your tool easily. People who need some extra pockets on their aprons can try this. The tool apron is made from a 20-ounce wax canvas. And this material makes the apron water and liquid resistant. You will find a strap made of poly material. The strap allows adjustment on the waist so that it can be fitted up to XXL size. And for holding the apron tight to the waist, there has a plastic snap buckle. Cushion pad can also be found on the strap, which sits gently on the shoulder. Generally, after carrying tools, the woodworking apron gains weight and puts pressure on the shoulder. But thanks to its shoulder pad, which provides comfort. Though it sounds astonishing, the Readywares wax canvas woodworking apron has 12 different sizes pockets. The chest pockets are there to help carry mobile, pencil and pen. And other pockets are ready to carry the weight of various tools. The pockets are ergonomic and double-stitched, so it is no matter for them to hold as much as tools you can put in. Like other waxed aprons, Readywares have 2 loops to hold the hammers. And you can also use it for holding other tools. At number 7. Woodworking Shop Aprons. Apron Tool Apron is created of a 16-ounce wax canvas. It is more water-resistant. In addition to it, there are 2 holes encouraged by stainless steel. Those parts support on the shoulder strap of this Apron trendy apron. You may locate an elongated lace onto the woodworking apron, and it's capable of adapting up midsection to 50-inch. Though you locate a plastic left buckle compared to this readily. It's also among the very best multi-purpose aprons, as it's ideal for technicians, carpenters, usefulness, and mechanisms. It may be applied whilst the cooking apron too, and a few of the baristas are using accordingly. To be used in various goals, the apron is accompanied by a range of pockets on the torso, and another 2 over front stylish. Every one of the pockets are stitched, therefore it's nothing in order for them to transport a few heavy gears. Chest pockets have various sizes, and so they have been there for carrying pencils, pens, and phones like lightweight merchandise and tools. However, the pockets situated in front are heavily equipped forces for carrying heat. They have a lockable flap in their shirt. Therefore, things that you wish to stay safe from becoming dust might be obtained there. The pockets are backed up by metal rivets. Also, it creates them more sturdy to carry a little additional fat compared to pockets.